Hello students, myself Rajbir and I would like to welcome you all on behalf of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Chapter number 2, that is Kaku and the Lal Hawa. Now this is a story of a boy Kaku who lived in a small village called Choti Dadi. The name of the place is Choti Dadi where Kaku lived with his Amma, right? Every morning Kaku gets ready for his school. He would run out of his house to meet his secret friend Lal Hawa. Here in the story, Lal Hawa is the name of a train, right? So, train is the secret friend of Kaku. Kaku admires Lal Hawa a lot. He likes Lal Hawa a lot. Its color, its chuk chuk sound, it attracts Kaku a lot. Okay. Kaku was happiest when he heard Lal Hawa coming. Kaku feel very happy when Lal Hawa is coming to Choti Dadi. Its soft chuk chuk sound greeted Kaku. Kaku feel that okay, its chuk chuk sound is greeting him out. Okay. He believed Lal Hawa said hello in its language when it whistles. When it whistles, Kaku feels that Lal Hawa is greeting him. Lal Hawa is saying hello to him. What is the Lal Hawa? I'll just tell you. Lal Hawa is a train. Remember this thing. Lal Hawa is a name of a train. And Choti Dadi is the name of a village. So don't get confused here. Choti Dadi is the name of a village. We all know what village is and we all know what train is, right? Now let's see. One day Kaku asked his school teacher, why doesn't Lal Hawa stop at Choti Dadi? Now daily he watched Lal Hawa coming to Choti Dadi, going through Choti Dadi, but he just want Lal Hawa to stop at Choti Dadi. So he get very sad and one day he asked his teacher that why Lal Hawa doesn't stop at Choti Dadi. In answer to this, what teacher answered? His teacher replied, our village is too small for the mighty Lal Hawa. Now the teacher replied that Lal Hawa is very mighty, it is very mighty thing, it is like our village is very small for that mighty Lal Hawa. Then for this his Amma consoled him by saying, I am sure Lal Hawa will stop here one day. His Amma also saw that Kaku is feeling very sad. She asked him that what happened. Kaku just asked the same question to Amma again that why Lal Hawa doesn't stop at Choti Dadi. Now Amma consoled him by saying that one day I am sure Lal Hawa will stop here, right? She just tried to console Kaku by saying this. Few days later, Kaku prayed that his dear friend would stop, and guess what? Lal Hawa stopped. Now he was a small boy. What he was doing, he has just closed his eyes, folded his hand, and he was just praying that Lal Hawa would stop, and guess what? Lal Hawa has stopped. One day this actually happened that Lal Hawa has stopped. Quickly Kaku climbed onto Lal Hawa and soon it was flying on its magic wheels. Now quickly फटाफट काकू जो था वो फटाफट लाल हवा में ट्रेन में बैठ गया. He was feeling very happy and very soon they both were flying on its magical wheels. Its magical wheels in the sense he was just in the dreamland. He just feel like dreamland. Lal Hawa is a magical train. Like this he was feeling with the Lal Hawa. Now let's see the copy work. These are the new words. Let me read them. Village, paddy, eagerly, tiffin, seconds, magical, mighty, waved. These all are the new words. Now let's see the word meanings. Eagerly waiting, strongly waiting. When we are like waiting for somebody very eagerly, बहुत मन से बहुत इच्छा से हम किसी के लिए wait करते हैं, that is eagerly waiting. Mighty, strong and powerful, which is very strong and which is very powerful, we call it mighty. Consoled, comforted when sad. When somebody is sad and we are just asking that what happened, what is your problem, that is we are comforting that particular person when he or she is sad. Startled, shocked. When we are shocked by something, that is we are startled by something. Now let's see question answers part. I'll show you. What was Kaku's secret? Who did not know about this? What was the Kaku's secret and who did not know about this? Kaku's secret was his new friend Lal Hawa. Kaku's only secret was his new friend Lal Hawa, that mighty train. no one knew about it, and nobody knew about this, the friendship between Kaku and Lal Hawa. Nobody knew about this, right? Now, what did Kaku love the most about Lal Hawa? What is the most important thing that Kaku admires about Lal Hawa? Kaku loved Lal Hawa's beautiful red paint, moving wheels and its chuk chuk sound. So what are the things which made Kaku admire Lal Hawa a lot? These are the things: its red paint, moving wheels that he called as magical wheels, and its chuk chuk sound, right? These are the things which Kaku admired a lot. What could Kaku not believe and why? One day Lal Hawa stopped at Choti Dadi. This surprised Kaku greatly. Now one day what happened? Lal Hawa stopped at Choti Dadi, and this made Kaku surprised a lot, right? And Kaku was very greatly surprised because Lal Hawa stopped at Choti Dadi. Why do you think Kaku's mother had tears in her eyes? Why do you think that Kaku's mother had tears in her eyes? Why she was crying? Kaku's mother had tears in her eyes because she was very happy. Those were the tears of happiness, right? Because she was very happy, therefore she was crying as her son could finally meet his friend Lal Hawa. And what is the wish of his son? To meet Lal Hawa, and finally this wish has come true. Okay, now let's make the sentences. Hindi is our national language. The word is language. The sentence which we have made is Hindi is our national language. Clapped. Clapped, we all know what is the meaning of clapped. Everyone clapped for the birthday girl. Everyone clapped for birthday girl. Cheering, when we are very happy, suppose we are watching the match of India and Pakistan, and India is winning, we are cheering for India, we are very happy, right? Crowd was cheering when India won match. The very similar sentence, crowd was cheering when India won the match. Windows, there are many windows in my classroom. You can see there are many windows in your classroom. So these were the notebook work. Now, thank you.